Hello friends, I'm starting a new YouTube channel called as Conventional Cooking. This method of cooking aims at encouraging old methods of cooking wherein our grandmas used to have optimum health and optimum levels of energy. Unfortunately, today's generation have got no time for this because of the career options that they are choosing or time constraint and end up going into low energy levels and quick methods of doing the errands or jobs. I seriously believe in the old methods because for me the kitchen is our pharmacy. The more we are into healthy cooking, which is not only simple but also easy on our stomachs, the more we keep up to our best levels. Holistic way of pharmacy or living life is the best way possible, but it's easier to talk or say than done. I'm trying to aim at the practical method of going ahead in it instead of the easy way out methods. I prefer to keep to the indigenous way of cooking, and I'm trying to aim at teaching that to the generations coming forward. I have basically felt and experienced good health, whatever age you are, to keep up with that kind of method. So without any much ado and more time waste, I would like to post my recipe, my first ever recipe, which is called as coconut Aliv Methi Ladoos, made in a total conventional way in conventional vessels used, as I don't believe in non-stick and coatings and all that. The more we look at the marketing techniques, the more we fall prey to them. So I keep up to the simple and easy conventional method. So my cooking is going to be a bit longer than normal, but it is going to ensure and assure you of the maximum health with glossy skin, energy levels to the maximum high, and internal health to sustain good core levels. I'm trying to aim at that. So without any more talk, here goes my first recipe. Please like, share and comment on the same so that I get your opinions and improvise myself to much better recipes going forward. Thank you so much for your love. So we are dry roasting the mixed nuts, which includes hazelnuts, cashews, almonds. These are coarsely ground. The nuts that were dry roasted are coarsely ground and kept ready. Its color, it has to get into a brown, light brown color for giving it the laddu and laddu shape and the laddu color. And it doesn't have to taste raw. So by giving it a nice roast, it will not be raw, and giving it a nice nutty flavor to the ladoos. The ladoos are packed with a lot of nutritions. Like I previously mentioned, there are walnuts, pistachios. They are super healthy ladoos, power packed with all the nutrients. It may contain carbohydrates, proteins, fats, everything that is released from the nuts and the seeds and the flours that go in for the carbohydrates. We have good fats like clarified butter or ghee used in it. Guys, these are ladoos that can be eaten, of course, guilt-free, but then as you guys know, everything that has to be eaten has to be eaten in moderation. Started browning on the edges, but so that we know that the flour is evenly browned and not left raw in any place, the test of it would be just to press in the center and see how much of it is light and dark. If you see a lot of light color in between, like this one here, that means it still needs to be roasted from those parts, but as you can see that it's turning dark brown on the edges, and when we press it, you see that we don't have any much of the light and the dark colors that I was showing earlier. These are some watercress or garden cress seeds, or Aliv in India, which is soaked with coconut water and some dates. This is nothing but Methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, powdered and soaked in milk for about 2 hours. So this is the ginger powder and the Methi seeds that were soaked in milk earlier, but since the milk has dried up and they have already got a lot dried in that, we have just added some milk in it to make it a little loose for it to fry easy. So the ginger powder really depends on how spicy or how sharp you guys want your taste to be. So I've also added some black pepper powder to it, because black pepper helps to give the warmth to the body and keeps the acidity at bay. It's a wonderful spice that has been introduced to us. So this one has got the coconut powder with garden cress seeds and some pieces of dates, as you can see in it. After the water dries up and the seeds get roasted a bit, I'm going to add in some fresh coconut. As you can see, my dates, coconut water, garden cress seeds and ghee are getting cooked. I'm waiting for the water to get dried up for adding some coconut and the flavoring of elaichi powder with it. So now we have added the coconut, some cardamom powder, some nutmeg and mace powder and saffron. I'm going to give it a good mix for it to get roasted well, and then add this to the mixture that we have already added with flowers and okay guys, you would have noticed a beautiful pink or a purple color shade on top. It's nothing but dry rose. Actually, just to keep our daily nutritional Ladoos in place ingredient. Don't worry about the fresh coconut if you don't have it. It's an optional ingredient, but this is how you can use a dry desiccated coconut powder instead. The taste may differ a little bit, but hot is just puffing up like popcorn. And once the whole thing has puffed up, it gets crushed into a powder, and we add it to the laddu mixture. The edible gum is now cooked, and as you can see, it has puffed up. We are going to switch off the gas and crush it and add it to our laddu that were there so that they could melt faster. I've added in a little bit of water in it to give a nice melt in it. So as soon as a bit of few big pieces remaining, I'm just waiting for them to be melted. Once they are melted, we add it to our, and it's ready to go in the mixture that we have been preparing so far. And this is the mixture that we have been preparing. I'll be adding my good or jaggery, melted jaggery to this to now form the shape of laddu.